Good day, class. Here I am again, your teacher Isel, and I hope that everyone's here is feeling good. But before we delve to our next session of topic, let's have first a short preview of what's our topic yesterday. So the topic was all about poetry, right? We discussed about what is a poetry, the characteristics, and now in our meeting today, we will discuss the one of the type of poetry, which is the haiku. Now for our topic to discuss today, let's explore what is haiku. So what is a haiku? Can anyone read the definition on the screen? Yes, Miss Maglasa. Right, thank you so much, Miss Maglasang. A haiku is a traditional form of a Japanese poetry that consists of three lines. So it is a typically follows the syllable of 575. So what does it mean? So in first line, it consists five syllables, and in second line, it consists seven syllables, and in third line, it consists five syllables. That's why it's 575 syllables in one stanza. So when we say haiku poem, it is often focused on nature themes and aim to capture a moment or evoke an emotion using concise language and vivid imagery. For me, haiku is something, a poem that you can write on the spot, like for example, you watch some sunsets, right? Like you go out and make some a moment of peace. Then in that way, you can, if what you see, then you can capture or you can write something on that. So that's how haiku is very memorable and very creative, because you are the one who experience or on the spot of writing. Since you already know what is haiku and its characteristics, so let's delve now to the different examples of haiku. So example number 1, leaves dance on the breeze, clouds like cotton drift with grace, blue skies open embrace. So this haiku paints a serene picture of nature in just 3 lines, as you can see. See, it captures the dictate movement of leaves in the wind, right? The graceful drifting of clouds and the vast welcoming expanses of the open blue sky, as what you can see in the picture, right? Like there is a three leaves and a clouds, like, you know, it's something look good, and while picturing the nature. So that's one of the theme, the nature theme of this example. And now let's move to the second example. Golden whose embrace, silent whispers fill the sky, sunset's soft farewell. So this haiku captures the essence of a sunset, portraying the peaceful transition from day to night, right? It evokes a sense of serenity and beauty through its imagery of a golden light. That's the sunset. Okay, so quiet ambience and the subtle farewell of the setting sun. Remember that you can write a various type of haiku because nature is everywhere. What you see is what you write. I think there's someone raising her hand. Yes, Miss Pino? So your question is, why do haiku focus on nature themes, right? So haiku focus on nature themes stems from its origin in Japanese culture, where nature is deeply revered and celebrated. Nature in haiku serves as a medium for expressing emotion, reflecting the seasons, and capturing fleeting moments of beauty and contemplating in concise, vivid imagery. Yes, Miss Dangoy, that was a awesome question, right? So your question is why do haiku is just written in three lines over the other poetry? So that's the question. So the three line pattern of haiku is a part of the traditional structure which involve over centuries in Japan. This format is highly effective for capturing fleeting moments or insight with simplicity and clarity. So it's a balance between brevity and depth, no, allowing poets to convey powerful imagery and emotion with a concise framework. I hope that it answers your question, Miss Dangoy. All right, thank you so much for the raised question. Is there anything else? Just raise your hand, please. All right, it seems nothing else. And now, since you already distinguish what is haiku and its characteristics and examples, we will delve to the first activity. So, your first activity, let me read first. Imagine a setting that ignites haiku inspiration. Picture serene gardens, bustling streets, or quiet beaches. Select one setting, delve into its theme, and craft haikus capturing its essence. So it means that I want you all to be yourself and imagine a setting where you can motivate to write a haiku. So that's the first activity that you will going to do. So I will just give 2 minutes about that work, and after we will now delve to our next activity, and I will read the first day instruction, okay? So following our previous activity, it's time for you or each of you to craft your own haiku. Once you're done, please share your work in our group chat for my evaluation. For this work or this activity, I will just give 5 minutes to do that, okay? Then I will immediately evaluate your work in our GC. Understood, class? Right. So take time to do that activity. Time's up, class. Great job, everyone. On your participation in our haiku discussion, it's clear that you're grasping the essence of this beautiful poetic form. Now, let's dive into evaluating your work. First, I am impressed with how many of you have nailed the 575 syllable pattern. It's not easy feat, but many of you captured it perfectly. Keep up the good work and think about how you can infuse your poems with deeper meaning or emotional resonance. Don't be afraid to explore different themes or perspectives. Overall, I am thrilled with your progress and I can't wait to see you how you continue to refine your haiku writing skills. Remember, poetry is a journey of self-expression and discovery. So keep exploring and pushing yourself too high. For conclusion, I hope you learned something about haiku poem. Is there any clarification or question regards our topic? Okay, silence means no. So thank you so much, class, for your cooperation for today's discussion. Have a good day, class, and see you to our next class discussion. Bye-bye.